This over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting fully modular kitchen with your lower and upper. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Hina Residency by Neha Group located in Mira Road, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This over here is the actual tower which is ready, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be getting into all the details, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project will have one tower with ground, 2 podium plus 20 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Speaking of amenities, this project has all basic amenities like gym, garden, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near GCC Club, Mira Road, from where West Express Highway is only at a distance of 500 meters, metro station is only at a distance of 500 meters, Mira Road railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 500 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Hina Residency. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 704 square feet. As we enter, right at the entrance, you have a video door phone provided, and this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living and dining is very spacious. You can place your sofas, center table, customize your TV unit, and again in the living you will be getting full French windows with the balcony. Also, we are standing at the actual flat of the project, so you can see the actual view. Over here, you can place your dining table where you can easily place a 4 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. Moving forward, over here, we have your kitchen space, and you will be getting fully modular kitchen with your lower and upper cabinets done. You will also be getting water purifier and chimney provided in your kitchen, and in the kitchen you also have full French door with a dryer space provided where you can place your washing machine. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. Moving forward, right outside your kitchen and between your common washroom, you have an extra utility space where you can place an extra wash basin, and right over here we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, geysers is provided in the common washroom. You have multiple benefits in this flat. You will be getting ACs provided, chimney is provided, water purifier is provided, and geysers, lights and fans are provided in this apartment. Now let's move towards the bedroom. Over here we have your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your bed, your side tables. You will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You also have wardrobe space provided, that is niche wardrobe space that will give your bedroom a bigger look. And over here you have full French windows with a balcony from where you can enjoy your views. Again, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual flat of the project. We are in the actual tower. You can have a look at the actual views. And again, you will also be getting wall decor provided in this apartment. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom. As we move forward, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You will be getting plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can see wardrobe space provided is also very spacious, and it is niche wardrobe space so that you give bedroom a bigger look. And over here we have your full French windows with a very spacious balcony from where you can see the actual views. And again you have AC provided in your master bedroom. And over here we have your private washroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Hinam Presidency. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.